What's up guys, and welcome to the 8th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about the if statement. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, go here and type int a equals 4 whatever, and say if it's a condition equals 4. Then we can say the value of a is 4. I've got on a new line, semicolon that off. Save that. Now when we execute this, we should get the value of a is 4. Build succeeded, and there you go, the value of a is 4. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.